winter is here, Lingo Kids. And that means snowman time. Let's start drawing 2 big balls of snow. 1 big circle for the body, and then another smaller circle for the head. Great. Did you know that in Switzerland, they put fireworks inside their snowman? Pretty interesting, huh? Now, as we want our snowman to be warm, let's give him a scarf. Draw a rectangle right between the 2 circles we just drew for the head and the body, with rounded corners. Make the top line a little shorter than the bottom line. Great! And on the left side, add the hanging part of the scarf like this. Looking good, Lingo Kids. The most fun part of making a snowman is making its face. Let's start with the eyes. Draw 2 circles in the middle of the head, one on the left and the second one a little higher than the first, like this. Lovely. Let's draw our snowman's nose. Let me think. We could use
carrot.
Of course, Cowie. Let's use a carrot for the nose. Draw the carrot shape starting from the middle of the eyes and bringing it up past the eye on the right. Nice and pointy. This is a friendly snowman, so let's draw him smiling. Add a curved dashed line like this. And to finish his happy face, draw on either side of the smile 2 more circles for dimples. Now that's 1 happy snowman. Something is still missing. I know, the arms. Let's draw our snowman with some stick arms on each side of the body. For this, draw a letter Y shape on the right side of our snowman's body. And then add another small stick inside the Y. Do the same thing on the other side for the second arm. And let's add a little leaf hanging off the branch like this. Amazing, Lingo Kids. Now our snowman has arms. We're still missing something. What about adding a hat to keep our snowman's head warm? Draw a thin line across the head at an angle like this. And now, above the line, add a tall square, not as wide as the line. There we go. To make it even more stylish, draw a parallel line at the base of the square. Well done. And finally, to add some texture to the body, let's give our snowman some little circles. Perfect. Time to color. Let's review which colors we need. Pink, orange, yellow, black, brown, green, light blue, gray, and light gray. Use the pink crayon to color in the 2 parts of the hat, the square and the thin line, and the stripes on the scarf. With the yellow crayon, we will fill in the spaces you left on the scarf. What a colorful and stylish scarf you've just drawn. Great work! Use the blue crayon to color in the 2 circles beside the smile. With the black, let's color in the eyes. And add a black line just at the top of the hanging part of the scarf as a shadow. Use the orange crayon to color the carrot nose. With the brown crayon, we can color the branch arms. Nice! Use the green crayon to color in the leaf. And to finish, use the gray crayon to color in the circles on the body. You're done! Now you've got your very own snowman, and more importantly, this one won't melt.